Alex here and welcome back to the channel. So today is the golf time. So we're going to do some more monster golf. So since it's last been on the channel, I have since done the Maxton front splitter, skirt extensions and the rear diffuser extension. So what we are going to be doing today is one of my favourite things. Not everyone likes it, but I'm a massive fan. We're doing the Underglow on it. So I'm a big sucker for LEDs and just lighting in general. So if we head on inside, I'll show you the kit that I've got. But yeah, we're going to be putting Underglow LEDs all round on the Golf. Alright, so that's the kit I've bought, the Type S kit, and I have opened it before. So here we've got various parts, so either front and rear. Oh no, these are the front and rear, these are the two sides. So they've got all the controllers and everything. So there we go. So we've got two 60-inch stripes for the exterior. Of course they're all exterior. If I can get this to focus. There we go. Sorry, it's a bit cold out there, but yeah. So they're the ones that go down the sides, and then the shorter ones for the front and rear, which are in here. There is a third brake light extension as well, which is not that one. It's not on any of the drawings, but yeah, there is a third brake light, like LED strip, but I'm going to save that and keep that for the Clio, as that will be more for the race car. But for now, we'll get the TT out, get the Golf in, and work out where all this goes and figure out how to wire it in. Alright, so we've had to move the operation outside as we could only put the front and the rear lights on, as the ramp would get in the way for the sides. So what I've done for the rear is don't know how well you can see it, but I've put it along the bottom of the diffuser. It's not ideal, but it's the best place I've got for it. So I've then routed the wire up and out the way, and all of that good stuff. Then this side is what we're currently working on. So along the bottom of the side skirt here, obviously the most logical place. And here you can see the cable in for the rear, running it along the brake lines all the way up to the front and up, and then the cabling for the side also going to do the same thing, route it around here, up and into the engine bay. That side we'll then figure out shortly, but I think it's going to go on the side skirt again, and then we'll just figure out a way of getting it across into the engine bay, whether it goes up and through the scuttle or along the bottom here somewhere. And then if we make our way over to the front, don't know how much you'll be able to see, but again it's just in the centre of the splitter up there. Cables come up through here and currently just chilling here, as we'll then sort that out afterwards, but slowly coming together. And obviously it's now night time, cold, it's like the perfect time for doing this stuff. Obviously not, but slowly getting there. So it's definitely gotten darker now, but routed all the cabling underneath the car and up through here, following again the brake lines. Don't know how well you can see it, but they are there. And yeah, we've wedged the boxes in around here where we can. The negatives are on the negative terminal at the back, and we've put them directly on the battery because we couldn't get to one of the other terminals. Like, it would have been ideal, but it's not the end of the world. They're all fused, so it's all fine. So if we close the bonnet and I'll get the app open, we now have Underglow. So I am very happy in my boy racer state. But yeah, it looks great. It's got the effect I was after. And obviously on here we've got like loads of different options. So fade, cycle, we've got like various colour options, and prism. Oh no, I still need to like learn the app and all that. Oh, that was it. Scan, like there's like loads of different options. So options are endless on here, and I am over the moon. It's one of those stupid little mods, but I love it and it makes me happy, so we'll just stick it back on normal glow. And yeah, purple underglow to go with the purple car. I am a happy boy. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's just one of the fun little ones, but yeah, next video to come, new car being announced. Well, I say announced, I have it, but new car being introduced to the channel, as well as all the various plans that we have for it, because there's going to be a lot of mods coming with that, and I'm quite looking forward to that series. And we should probably give the Clio some loves as well soon. So if you have enjoyed, make sure to drop the video a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe, as there's plenty more coming, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.